Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Filipino Explaining. So in this video we are going to discuss, or I'm going to explain linear mappings in linear algebra 2. Enjoy. Let T be the linear mapping T from real space this to this in two dimensions to two dimensions real space defined by T31 is equals to 2, negative 4, and T11 is equals to 0, 2. Find Txy in particular and find T74. Solution. So since 3, 1, 1, 1 is a basis of real space in two dimensions, then T exists. We first find xy as a linear combination of 3, 1 and 1, 1, i.e. say that x, y is equals to lambda 1, 3, 1 plus lambda 2, 1, 1. So x is equals to 3 lambda 1 plus lambda 2. This is what I'm just taking the coordinates of x, then I multiply by the lambdas. This is x, then lambda 1 times the coordinate of x is 3. The coordinate of x here is 3. So if we multiply, it's 3 lambda 1. Then in the second one, I'm just taking the coordinate of x as 1. I multiply by lambda 2 and I get lambda 2. So x is equals to 3 lambda 1 plus lambda 2. And this is equation 1. Then y, I shall do the same. I take this lambda 1, I multiply by the coordinate of y, which is 1, so I get lambda 1 plus lambda 2 times the coordinate of y, that is 1, right there. So it is lambda 2 times 1 is lambda 2, and I call this equation 2. Hope you understand. So subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, it gives this. So if you subtract this equation from this, it is x minus y is equals to 3 lambda 1 minus lambda 1 is 2 lambda 1. Then lambda 2 minus lambda 2, of course, is 0. So x minus y is equals to 2 lambda 1. So to to get the value of lambda 1, we divide both sides by 2 by 2. Remember, x minus y is equals to 2 lambda 1. So to get the value of lambda 1, we divide both sides by 2 by 2, and we have lambda 1 as, remember this 2 goes with this 2, we remain with x minus y over 2. So in order for us to determine the value of lambda 2, we take one of these two equation 1, equation 2, then we substitute lambda 1 with x minus y over 2. So let's take this first equation, that x, this one, is equals to 3 lambda 1 plus lambda 2, this one. So we substitute x minus y over 2 where we have lambda 1, since lambda 1 is equals to x minus y over 2. So x is equals to 3, but lambda 1 is x minus y over 2. So it is x minus y over 2 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 2. This gives us x is equals to 3 times x is 3x, 3 times y is 3y. Are we there? Over 2 plus lambda 2. To get the value of lambda 2, we at this point we do what? We collect like terms. This term we move it to the other side where we have x, and since here is a positive, here is a positive, it will be a negative coming this side. So x minus 3x minus 3y over 2 is equals to lambda 2. Okay, so here we look for the LCM. The LCM of 1 and 2 is 2. So here will be 2x minus, this is 3x, then this is plus 3y is equals to lambda 2. 2x minus 3x is negative x, then plus 3y over 2 is equals to lambda 2, and you get lambda 2 as 3y plus x. Sorry, it's 3y minus x, 3y minus x over 2. Therefore, xy is equals to x minus y. This lambda 1, are you getting? Lambda 1. Are you seeing here? This was our xy. This was our xy. So xy is equals to lambda 1. Our lambda 1 is here. Hope you understand. Our lambda 1 is here. Are you getting? So we just put here our lambda 1. Our xy is equals to x minus y over 2, which is lambda 1, 3, 1, then plus lambda 2, 1, 1. Lambda 2, and our lambda 2 is 3y minus x, 3y minus x over 2, 1, 1. Hope you understand. Hope you understand everything. Are we there? And t x y is equals to t into brackets x minus y over 2, 3, 1, this one, plus 3y minus x over 2, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Opening the brackets here, we multiply every term here with t, and we get t times the first term that comprises or consists of x minus y over 2 in bracket 3, 1 will be t x minus y over 2, 3, 1 plus the second term, this second term multiplied by t, this second term multiplied by t, we get t 3y minus x over 2, 1, 1, 1. Are we there? And this brings us to, or can be also be written as 3x minus y over 2 t 3, 1. Are we there? Plus 3y minus x over 2 t 1, 1. This is the translation of the mapping. T is the mapping. Are you there? So after that point, from the question, t 3, 1 t 3, 1 is equals to what? T 3, 1 is equals to negative 4. So here the whole of this we will replace it with 2 negative 4. So x minus y over 2 2 negative 4. Are we there? Plus 3y minus x over 2, and from the question t11 is equal to 0, 0, 2. So we put 0, 2 here. Hope you understand. Are we there? At that point, now let's simplify. This is a sign for multiplication. Are we there? So first of all, we multiply the x coordinate with the whole of this, then the y coordinate with the whole of this, plus the x coordinate, this 0, times the whole of this, then the y coordinate with the whole of this. And you get what I'm saying? So this is x minus y over 2 times 2 times 2, then x minus y over 2 times negative 4, then the whole of this we add 3y minus x over 2 times 0, then 3y minus x over 2 times 2. Are we there? So this and this goes, we remain with x minus y here, this and this goes, then here 1, here negative 2. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 2 times negative y is positive 2y. Are we there? Then plus the whole of this times 0, of course, is 0. Then this times this is this and this goes, we remain with 3y minus x. So at this point we just add, simple addition, x coordinate with x coordinate, then this thing in y coordinate we add with this thing in y coordinate. Are you there? And now we have x minus y. If you add 0, would be x minus y, then negative 2x plus 2y plus 3y minus x. We get it as x minus y, negative 2x plus 3y, negative 2x plus negative x plus negative x is negative 3x. Then positive 2y plus positive 3y is positive 5y. And now you have x minus y and 5y minus 3x. This is txy. We are done with the first part of the question. You have been asked to find txy in particular, and now we are done with it. Now let's find t74. So, and t74 will be this one. This 7 is for x, 4 is for y. This x and this is y. Now where there is x in txy, we'll put 7. Where there is 4, we substitute with where there is y, we substitute with 4. Where there is x, we substitute with 7 in this txy, this one. So we start. Txy is equals to x minus y, 5y, let me write it well. Txy is equals to x minus y, 5y minus 3x. So we have here 7 minus y is 4, then 5y, this is 5 times 4, 5 times 4, it is 20, minus 5x, or 3x, sorry. 3 times 7 is 21. And now we have 7 minus 4, of course it is 3, and 20 minus 21 is negative 1. And we are through with the working. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for following me. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel to support my efforts. May God bless you. Till next time. Bye bye.